Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a method that many creators have used to fix the 0.0 RPM issue in the TikTok Creator Rewards program. As you can see, my account is currently showing an RPM of 0.00, even though most of my viewers are coming from countries like the United States, the United Kingdom, and other European countries, where RPM is normally much higher. So if you're facing the same problem, here's what you can try. First, open TikTok Studio and go to the Creator Rewards program section. Then open the 1-minute video page. In the top right corner, tap the 3-line menu. You'll see an option that says Opt Out. Tap on it. Then choose the reason that best matches your situation. It doesn't matter too much which one you pick. Just select the most appropriate option and complete the process. Once you've opted out, completely close the TikTok app. Next, open your phone's settings. In the search bar, type Reset, then choose the option to factory reset your phone. Before doing a factory reset, make sure you've backed up all of your important photos, videos, contacts, and other data, because this process will erase everything on your device. After the reset is complete, wait about 24 hours, then install TikTok again and apply for the Creator Rewards program. One more important tip: avoid logging into a second TikTok account on the same device after rejoining the program. Some creators believe that switching between multiple accounts can sometimes lead to RPM or Creator Rewards issues, so it's safer to use only the account you want to monetize. While this method has worked for many creators, keep in mind that TikTok hasn't officially confirmed it as a guaranteed fix, so your results may vary. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more TikTok tips, Creator Rewards updates, and RPM fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.